Hi. Thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel would be highly appreciated. FOSSiBOT has announced that it will launch a brand new rugged tablet very soon. The tablet is called FOSSiBOT DT2 and it will premiere between December 11th and December 17th, 2023 to be precise. There will be a way to get this tab for free, but more on that later in the video. The new rugged tab will be a flagship device and it will be the successor to the famous FOSSiBOT DT1, which I also covered briefly on this channel. The new FOSSiBOT DT2 is packed with some cutting-edge features that are suitable for industrial works or as a daily driver. It also has a very huge battery, which I will talk about later in this video. But first, let's talk about the specifications. FOSSiBOT DT2 comes with a bright 10.4-inch 2K display with a resolution of 1200 by 2000 and an Incel IPS LCD display. It comes with an octa-core MediaTek Helio G99 processor, a 6nm chip which is very battery efficient, and a very huge 22,000 mAh power battery which can last days on a single charge. It also comes with a 66-watt fast charger which can charge your tablet from 20 to 80% in just 1 hour. Even with the big battery, the tablet is only 20mm thick. In terms of storage, the FOSSiBOT DT2 comes with two 56GB internal storage and 12GB of RAM. The RAM is virtually expanded by another 8GB, which means you get 20GB RAM in total. You also have the option to increase the storage with an SD card. It also supports 4G, which means you can use a SIM card. As for the camera setup, FOSSiBOT DT2 has a 64-megapixel rear camera and 32-megapixel front or selfie camera for your Zoom meetings, and so on. It also supports Wi-Fi 6, fingerprint and Face ID unlock. The rugged design of the F102 makes it capable of withstanding tough conditions, as it has IP68 for water and dust resistance and IP69K for high temperature resistance, and it is military standard 810H certified. It also has a big camp light or flashlight at the back, which is very handy. The combination of these specs means that the FOSSiBOT DT2 will deliver an exceptional user experience, whether in gaming, professional work, or just streaming videos. As I said earlier, you can get this tab for free. As part of the world premiere deal, FOSSiBOT will be giving out some FOSSiBOT DT2 for free to some lucky customers on their website. The link will be in the description below. Also, from December 11th to December 17th, which is the premiere date, customers can purchase the DT2 for a heavily discounted price of $239.99. The links and details will be in the description below, so be sure to visit their website if you are interested in these offers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and watch our other videos because we cover a lot of cool gadgets and rugged phones on this channel.